case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1912, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Converse v. Hamilton, which centered around the principle that states must honor decisions and orders made by other states, as long as they are constitutional and properly enforced. The case involved a bankrupt Minnesota corporation, the Minnesota Thresher Manufacturing Company, and the enforcement of double liability against two of its stockholders. A receiver of the company filed actions in the Circuit Court of Dane County, Wisconsin, to enforce the double liability. The company had been sequestered by a Minnesota court, and its creditors presented their claims, resulting in an order for stockholders to pay two successive assessments based on the par value of their respective shares. Some stockholders appealed the decision, but the Supreme Court of Minnesota affirmed the order. The issue in contention was whether a Wisconsin court's refusal to enforce the assessment order violated the full faith and credit clause. The Supreme Court held that the full faith and credit clause required the Wisconsin court to fully recognize the laws and proceedings of another state, including enforcing assessment orders made elsewhere. The Minnesota court's assessment order was deemed conclusive against all stockholders, granting the receiver full authority to enforce it. Consequently, the lower court judgments were reversed, and the cases were remanded for further proceedings in line with the opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.